The first paradigm we're going to talk about is constructivism. The easiest way to describe this is you never learn anything from scratch. You relate something to something that you already know, and this helps you broaden your framework. I like the way they explain it here, where it says people actively construct or create their own subjective representations of objective reality. New information is linked to the prior knowledge, thus mental representations are subjective. I think the biggest takeaway from constructivism is that nothing is objective, everything is related to something that you already know. Cognitive load theory can be described as a theory that focuses the load on working memory during instruction. Basically, the goal of cognitive load theory is trying to reduce the cognitive load and utilize memory storage to make more space for your working memory so you can obtain information better with multimedia learning skills. There are three types of loads: extraneous, intrinsic, and germane loads. These three loads basically just try to make sure that your working memory is taking up the most space. Finally, we're going to talk about the theory of multimedia learning. I like the summary that they have here a lot that says, a cognitive theory of multimedia learning is based on three assumptions. There are two separate channels, auditory and visual, for processing information. There's a limited channel capacity, and that learning is an activity processing of filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating information.